Hi everyone, my name is Smriti. Welcome to the quick video of workflow automation in Krayin CRM. Today we will discuss everything you need to know about workflow automation. So before proceeding further for this video, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest update from our end. So we'll go to the admin login panel of the Krayin CRM. We'll do login. And here you can see the wonderful dashboard of the Krayin CRM. So the very first question is, what is workflow? So workflow are the actions triggered when predefined conditions are met. Now, what is the purpose of the workflow? The main purpose of creating the workflow is when salespeople spend a lot of time during a repetitive manual task every day, like following upon leads, sending emails, raising invoices, updating fields, and many more. So with workflow in Krayin, you can sit back and let the system do work for you. So let's go to the setting tab and we'll create the workflow. Tap on a workflows. Next, tap on a create workflow. So you need to put the name of the workflow. Let's add tag after new lead creation. So next you have to choose the event. Welcome to the quick video. See, I'm creating the lead. So I'll choose lead created. Otherwise, you can choose the activity if you are creating any activity or updating or deleting, same as a person and the code. So I have chosen lead created. Next, you have to choose the condition. Condition are the set of rules which checks for specific scenarios and are triggered on a specific occasion. Let's select from the drop down. All conditions are true or any condition. Any one of these you can choose. And now you have to add the condition. Let's choose a condition to add title, lead value, source, type, sales owner, expected closing date. So let's suppose I'm going to choose lead value. So I have to put the lead value here. Let's suppose 100. Next, you have to add the action. Actions not only reduce the workload but also make it quite easier for your CRM automation. Let's add the action first. Choose from the drop down. Let's suppose add tag. Now new lead. You have to put the action name. Now we'll go to the save as workflow as your add tag after lead creation workflow is created. Now you have to go to the lead section. Now create the lead, Krayin CRM customization. Let's put the lead value here. Select the source of the lead and type of the lead and select the owner of the expected closing date here. Now go to the contact person, choose the contact person and add the product as well. Let's Krayin CRM open source CRM, save as lead. So here you can see Krayin CRM customization lead has been created. So we'll go to the added lead and we'll check the new lead tag is added or not. So here you can see the new tag is already added. So the main purpose of the workflow is to reduce the time. Now go to the workflow. Here you can edit the workflow as well. If you want to edit any name, description, any event, if you want to change or condition, or you can add more condition from here or actions as well and save as workflow. And you can filter the workflow from here. You need to put the ID. Suppose I have put here to and press enter, so you will find your desired workflow also, and you can search from here as well. Direct you can search workflow from here. Like I have put here 11, so I have found add tag after lead creation. So that's how you can create or add it and delete the workflow. If you have any question, query or suggestion related to the workflow, then you can get back to us at support@krayincrm.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.